Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Jerry reveals Bolanle bullied him for no reason in the love part. Ultimate Love reality television show season 1 love guests seem to have extended the moment they shared in the love part to the social media. The love guests are using the lockdown avenue to catch funds with their fellow love guests as well as their fans, since they will not be going for a media tour at least for now. So Jerry was persuaded by his fans to engage Bolanle in a live Instagram chat. After much pressure, he succumbed. However, it didn't end well as he said Bolanle bullied him and is not going to repeat that mistake again. "Okay, had so much fun chatting with you guys tonight," he said after he ended the Instagram live video. "Don't ask me to call Bolanle on my live again. She bullied me for no reason tonight, and no thanks to Arnold for helping her. Now you guys see what I go through with her in the love part. Love you guys," he tweeted. During the show, Bolanle had a smooth relationship with Jerry. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more gist